Hey snipers, I'm trying to trade on vacation, as you guys know. It's a little difficult, but I was watching this JOB pre-market, and of course I put in the watch list. And my last day of vacation. Right now I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, and yeah, I woke up this morning. Let's look at that quick. I bought in 214, 200 shares, out at 242, for a quick 328.64. Only bought 200 shares, as you see. Could have bought more, but didn't buy more. So look, so what happened was this. I went to the pre-market, and I went to the charts, and I had a watch list going on. I had NYOS, I had Fran, which is good pre-market. I had JOB, you see the whole pre-market. I had one pull up with some news, and consolidated the whole rest of the day. Then down here you see XBA, which has been on my watch list for eons, but it's not doing much of nothing. So I went in the group and I put all the watches I have on here, which was Fran, Staff, JOB, IO, V-Roll, Car, Solo, WKHS. Now, WKHS is one of those pump and dump stocks. You can make a lot of money off it real quick, or you can lose everything real quick. So my focus was JOB, leading gapper today. Everybody know by now what stock traders do is watch the largest runners on the day, or the most attractive stock that everyone else is trading. So pre-market stock was 40 cents. As you see here, it was 40 cent pre-market. Then it had news 6:30 this morning, popped up to $1.62, and it kept going from that point. Let me show you why I bought at. So let me go to trade. Let me go to my 15-minute candle right here. So 15-minute. Again, we turn sideways. Well, each candle was 15 minutes, so you can see. We turn sideways. Let me try to flip it. Nope, can't flip it. So pre-market, the one jump, and the whole pre-market is consolidated. The whole pre-market consolidated. I didn't like it. And I looked down here at the RSI. I see it was declining the whole pre-market, so I didn't buy it. If you look here at the MACD, same scenario, declining the whole pre-market, didn't buy it. The chart show it. Level, drop. Here we are. You know by now I draw channels. Look at this channel right here. There's a channel there and channel there. Now what I would do is pre-market is I'll draw a channel, and I always buy in whenever the stock bounces that channel. See a channel there? It hits the top, it bounces back. Hits the top, bounce back, right? The channel. And what I do is I always buy when it crosses that channel. Meaning the first green 5-minute candle across the channel right there is where I'll buy in at. So my case was right here. Tried to buy in at 170, as you see here, but my order didn't get filled. It moved that quick. So I missed my buy-in order, and I ain't get into like 214, which is way past the point that I wanted to get in at. As you see here, 15-minute channel, it bounced the whole time. Now what I recommend is doing is whenever you're trading some stocks, always draw channels. Because if you draw a channel, you can see without researching back and forth to see what the break point is, resistance, what the support point is, the hold point. You follow? So 15-minute chart is going to show you this whole chart from 6:30 this morning all the way to market openings. Whole time, right? Then you go to the 5-minute chart, see same thing. The 5-minute chart is going to show you the same scenario. See? Bounce, 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 bounce. Right here, 170, tried to buy in, couldn't get filled. Missed the first candle, got in at 214, way up here, which is suck. I missed 2 candles trying to get in this order, because what I did was I kept trying to buy at limit. The time the price got set, it was already way past that point. I couldn't get in. So I finally, the third time, checked my auto send button and put in the buy at market. And I got in 214. Soon as I got in, it halted at 215. I barely got in to get it filled. Now, I should have been in way back here. I missed all that change. I missed 40 cents leading to my buy-in point. So I could have had a lot more than 328.64. However, I got in there finally at 214 after being halted so many times from my limit order not being filled. Finally got in, halted immediately. I wanted 250 after the halt. I put in the group that I was buying at, while I was getting out at. I bought in, held it, saw it get weak, sold at 243. So I got it right at the top almost. And you see now here, it's halted again on volatility. It's back now. And it's straight dumping. See that? It straight declined the whole time since I sold it. I sold it up here at 243, right almost the top, and it just dumped the rest of the day. As you can see. Let's look at my final numbers. Let me go to hold on. Let me go to monitor. Alright, so I only made one trade today. JOB, as you can see, nothing left. Current price 210. 308% up right now. $328.64 today is what I made on that stock. I even show you my buy and close points. So I bought it again at 214. It got filled in one order, right? $214.99 market price. But when I sold it, it was moving so quick. It sold in increments, all different prices. 1 share, 99 share, 100 share, 26 share, but all from one order. If you look here, the prices even everywhere from 243 down to 242. So, yeah. All right. Let's go back to trade again. See if I can find my numbers. Try to find the chart. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow trading again. So, this stock here, JOB, is done. I wouldn't touch it again the rest of the day.